Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. The phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Mazda CX-9 Luxury. Stock reference number 4558. This shape runs from the 6th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2012. It has a 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right hand rear and the rear end. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light with surround, left hand fog light with surround, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 20-inch alloy mag, average tyre, left front door has multiple small dents, left rear door has 3 small dents, left rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tailgate garnish, rear spoiler, right rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right front door has multiple dents, right guard has 1 small dent, right power door mirror, and a right front 20-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather split type, center console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, 6 stack CD player, sorry. Left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.